So I just recently picked the car back up. It now has the vibrant 3-inch ultra quiet resonator installed, so let's go ahead and see what she sounds like. Now I do have, of course, the camera a little bit closer this time. It's about 4 or 5 feet closer, but driving at home, it does seem to definitely be quieter, worthwhile investment. So only so much, of course, you can do with a 3-inch exhaust system with a turbo on it, right? So anyway, hopefully I won't end up being harassed. I'll just have to be smart in town.